Create the content you want to get paid to create. Don't go out and create what's popular or what other people are doing that you see is successful. If there's something you enjoy doing, create that, invest in that, and if you do a good job, people will actually pay you to make that content.
So you started with filming athletes.
I started with filming myself and filming friends who were professional athletes, wakeboarders, surfers, snowboarders, and that's what I love to do, and I built up a portfolio of creating that type of content, and now I get paid to make that kind of content.
Amazing.
Yeah, it's this job didn't exist 5-10 years ago.
Absolutely. And now, here we are. We're on this amazing trip. We do things
to
we
hang out
love.
with awesome people from all
over
amazing
the world.
different countries around the world.
Yeah, exactly.
Really
and
cool.
you said you do everything yourself. You shoot, you edit, you even do your business stuff yourself?
Yep, everything myself. I am potentially looking for some of the right management and to build the team here and there, but I do enjoy editing and filming myself, and I'm going to keep it that way for as long as I can.
How many videos do you make a week, or one?
If I can, I will try to do one YouTube video a week, and then in between that there's a bunch of behind the scenes content on Instagram.
And the YouTube video is long, right?
Anywhere from 3 to 10-12 minutes.
Wow.
Yeah.
How do you make money doing what you do?
There's a lot of different ways. One is obviously once you grow a social media following, you can get brand deals. Another source of income for me is I'm still hired as strictly a professional filmmaker because of my skills and my style.
Right.
And then also when I create my own content, it's considered viral at times, and people might want to purchase the content or license the content, whether it's for TV shows, advertising, music videos, etc. like that. And then you have other things like affiliate links, and I sell my own digital products like presets for GoPro photos.
Wow.
So there's multiple ways
Are
to
you a
make money
millionaire
online.
yet?
That's classified information.
Do you live anywhere, or are you just traveling the world all the time?
Cape Town, South Africa is still technically home. I'm only home 3 to 4 months of the year. I'm pretty much always on the road, living out of a suitcase in a way. But Cape Town's still home for now, and I would like to keep it that way for as long as possible.
And what's your life like? You just go from place to place meeting different people, or do you have a girlfriend, a home, a dog, or you take them with you?
It's
How do you do
all
it?
over the place. It's just chaos and still just trying to find the balance of everything, because it's a new career path and no one's sort of written the rules or anything, and there are not too many rules. So just taking it as it comes and trying to choose the right opportunities. Learning how to say no is a very valuable skill that I'm still learning how to do.
Right, amazing, Chris Rogers. Thank
you.
Inspiring guy, guys. Thank you.